Josh Smithberger with Delphian Trading. I'm a trading strategist there. In this video, we'll be covering paper trading for options and stock trades. When you log in the system, you're in the dashboard. To get to the paper trading portfolio, open up the menu, you go to the organizer, and then click portfolio. So previous one's already set up. If you want to delete, you can click this and then over to delete. So if we want to create a new portfolio, click the add new button. We give it a name. Put in a description, risk amount. You can put in different percentages that you want to do. Let's say 50, 50. Then we hit create. We can go into that portfolio. And those 50-50, that alert, it'll tell you within the allocation if you're over what you had set up here. If we want to add a position today, let's just say Bank of America, and we're bullish, and we did analysis, or we saw, did testing. So we're bullish on Bank of America. So what we're going to do is go in and buy September 21st on call at $31. You can see the close on 6/28 was 28.67. And we can alter this price. Let's just say we got filled at 51, the mid price. So that'll update. Max profit is infinite. Max risk is what we put in, $51, and our break even is here. You have a risk graph, and then we can go in and also alter the contract. So let's just say we want to buy 10. So now we're risking $530. If you have risk per trades built within the system, you can select those here. We hit create, and now this position is created and it's reflected in our portfolio. You can see, the long call, bought 6/28. Here's our expiration, the strike. If you want to close it out, the position or leg, this is only one leg, so either one will work. You can add a leg, so if it goes up and you want to sell a call above it, then you can add that in a future date, or you can delete the position. Once we close it, it'll appear in this closed position. So you can also do, if you want to go back in time and add a position, let's just say, April 9th. We want to add in, an Amazon. And let's say for this one, we're going to do a bull put. So we're going to sell, put, and then buy one below it for protection, hoping to get that whole premium. So we'll just look at 7/20. And I'll automatically load the same dates since you're not doing any kind of calendar spread. So if we just say, we're going to sell the 1280, that close was 1406, and then we're going to buy the 1260 for protection. So we have selling one contract, buying one. We go in and say 2. update all the characteristics. Our max profits, the premium that we received, $810. Our max risk is $3,200 approximately. Our break even price is listed, and then the risk graph. If we hit create, a position is created on that date, 4/9. So if we come back in the calendar to current day, it'll show us the updated profit loss for each leg. So we have $782 profit in here. So if we wanted to close out, an individual leg, we could do that here. We could move it to a different portfolio, or we could close the position. We can always go back to the portfolios. So you can go all the way back to 2007 and simulate portfolios. If you want another kind of key feature here is symbol analysis. So we want to look at open positions. It'll list all the different ones that we have. So if we have this FANG Diamondback Energy, it'll show us 6/4. We got into it. Our expiration is 8/17. So our costs, gain loss, and it also shows down here where are we about to call, the strike price, and then you get the stock movement afterwards, all the way up to the expiration if you hold it to the expiration. If you have any questions, contact us at sales@delphiantrading.com or the number listed.